Welcome back. So, as usual, I was browsing the AIagentstore.ai website, which you know is our regular go-to spot for finding tools that actually change how you work.
Right, we are always digging through there.
Yeah. And I was looking at the page for a tool called CatDoes. Our mission today is to figure out how this specific platform manages to take just a simple text prompt and somehow, spin it into fully functioning software.
I mean, it's an ambitious claim, but it targets a very real problem.
Okay, let's unpack this. CatDoes is basically an AI app builder. You give it a plain language description of what you want, and it plans, codes, tests, and ships the whole thing.
Which is huge.
It really is. Think of it like a digital general contractor. You don't just get handed a pile of lumber and bricks, which is basically what raw code is to most people.
Yeah, exactly.
This thing brings the virtual architect, the builders, and the city inspectors delivering the finished house straight to the App Store, Google Play, or the web.
What's fascinating here is why that specific workflow matters so much right now. Because, the absolute biggest bottleneck for founders, designers, and non-technical builders isn't coming up with a great idea.
Right, ideas are easy.
Exactly. It's managing that incredibly tedious, expensive manual engineering process to actually make it real. CatDoes is built to eliminate that friction completely.
That sounds great in theory, but looking at this page, it boasts an 85% autonomy rating. And I have to be completely skeptical here,
I'm sure.
because we all know AI hallucinates constantly. How is it not just, writing a maze of broken code when it's left to operate on its own? It operates on a closed-source freemium model, by the way.
Well, that is the million-dollar question. The secret sauce keeping it on track is its multi-agent system architecture.
Okay, multi-agent.
Right. So instead of relying on one massive AI algorithm trying to juggle the UI, the database, and the testing all at once, CatDoes spins up different specialized AI agents.
So they just divide and conquer the workload.
Better than that, they actually communicate. So you have one agent acting as the front-end developer, say, building in React Native.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and another acts purely as the QA tester. If the developer agent writes a bug, the tester agent catches it, flags the error, and sends it back for a fix before the user ever sees it.
That is wild.
Right. It orchestrates the entire application lifecycle by having these agents double-check each other, and it uses standard web frameworks too.
Here's where it gets really interesting for you listeners who actually do know how to code. It isn't just a locked black box. It actively supports GitHub import and code export.
Which is crucial for real-world application. I mean, if you're a developer, you aren't forced to just sit there and hope the AI gets your complex back-end logic right.
You'd want to get in there and fix it.
Exactly. You get the speed of an automated build, but you retain the control to step into the project, review the GitHub repository, and guide the AI manually where it matters most.
So what does this all mean for the people listening right now who actually build things for a living?
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, it leaves us with an incredible dilemma. If an AI system like CatDoes can independently orchestrate the entire app development lifecycle from a single prompt,
Yeah.
will the future of software engineering simply look like everyone becoming an AI product manager?
Wow. Just managing the vision and the machine handles the plumbing? That is a lot to think about.
It really is.
Well, if you want to check out this page and tool for yourself, you can find it at AIagentstore.ai. And before we go, thank you so much for rating the podcast.
Yes, thank you.
Your support really helps us keep bringing you these concise breakdowns. We'll see you next time.